Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a cooking video, but this one is desserts. So it's chocolate and vanilla ice pops, and they are 1 cent each. So this is a quick and easy dessert. Takes 10 minutes, but be warned, it takes about 8 hours for the lollipops to freeze. So yeah, but they're worth it in the long run. So now I'm going to show you what ingredients you need and we'll go from there. So you need some sweetener, some vanilla extract, cocoa powder, and some 0 fat vanilla yogurt. You also need a bowl, some sticks or some lollipop sticks depending what you've got in the cupboard, and some trays or some lollipop trays, your choice, but I'm choosing these little ones today. We're going to start off with 2 level tablespoons of cocoa powder, and put it in the bowl. Should be enough. Then we are going to add the sweetener. So now we're going to add, it says 4 level tablespoons of sweetener, but at the beginning you're only going to put 2 in and then 2 in afterwards. So 1, 2, and then 3 tablespoons of water. And stir it well. And now we're going to move on to the yogurt. And let's do that. The yogurt, we're going to fit all of this into a jug. Seems a lot, but it's 0 fat, as they say. Get it all in the bowl. Some of it will stick to the bottom. You've just got to play with it. And you will get yourself messy, but that's the fun of it. So try and wear clothes that you don't care that you're getting mucky with. But that's the whole point of cooking. If you don't get messy, you're not enjoying yourself. So we have done that. So now we're putting in the remainder of the sweetener. Put that to one side, and we're going to get our vanilla extract here. And we're going to put 1 tablespoon of it and stir in well. Teaspoon. I get confused, guys, so you know, 1 teaspoon in like so, and now you're going to stir. Again, I should have wore something a little bit different. So actually looks quite yummy, to be quite honest. So now we're going to add in the mixture, the cocoa powder mixture, into Already it looks quite yummy. If I'm on I'm sorry. In my kitchen there ain't a lot of places to put your camera so you can see it, guys. So this is the mixture after putting everything in. And once you think that is ready, making sure you've got every bit on the sides, right down to the bottom. You don't want it to be lumpy. Sorry about my phone. That looks so nice. Now, naughty, naughty. Now is the fun part. We are going to load them into our moulds. Again, you can choose different moulds, but because I didn't have the lollipop sticks and I only have these, I thought, so now I am putting them in individual ones. It's harder than it looks, actually. But hopefully it comes out beautiful. Be the waiting game with it being frozen. You have to wait. Next time I do these, which I will, I'll definitely get the lollipop sticks. Hopefully they'll turn out alright. Fingers crossed they do. Got a tiny bit left, so try and do. Can't waste it. Like, it takes time, but I think having the lollipop sticks, I think, is better because it won't take as long. Right, I think this might be the last one. I make so much noise. Try and get as much as I can out to make the last one. And I think this is good because there's no cooking. So I had enough to do 2 lots. So I did quite a lot and see how they come out, like the really mini ones that we got. See how they turn out. Let's go and put them in the freezer. Now they are both in the freezer. And let's see after 8 hours what they're going to be like. Hey guys, so the lollies are still freezing in the freezer. They're still not as solid that I want, but I really wanted to put this video up now. So obviously from the thumbnail that I took is what they look like now. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did and you want to see more of these types of videos, let me know in the comment section below. Like this video, subscribe, and don't forget to click that notification bell because it will notify you when I upload a video. So I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye my butterflies.